Alright, so we're going to remove the rear wheel on an Aprilia Shiver. This might be one of the easiest bikes to remove the rear wheel from. The only little hiccup is the little slide that your brake caliper is supported on the swing arm. It made it a little bit awkward. So you're just going to remove your axle nut, remove the spacer for the chain tensioner, push the axle through and pull it out the other side, remove your chain. The owner of this bike for some reason put his heel guard from his shifter where the chain guard should be. That was kind of awkward. I had to remove that to install it. But then the wheel just kind of slides out of the back of the bike and you just remove your caliper and just let it hang. Getting it back on and getting it lined up is a little bit harder. Remember, when you take your bike apart, put your spacer for the right side on the right side, the spacer for the left side, put it in your sprocket, in your carrier group, and remove the sprocket carrier from the rear wheel. Sometimes these push drives will pull out, but that's all there is to it, to removing that rear wheel. Thanks for watching.